Hello everybody, today is Friday, December 23rd. It's 4:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's just 3 minutes after the regular session closed for the futures markets. You can see my computer clock here, and it's just a couple of days before Christmas holiday. On my left is the time and sales. This is the time and sales for the crude oil, trading at 53.07, 53.08. And so before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, first I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday, as Christmas is just a couple of days away, and I want to thank everybody for your support of Blue Wave Trading this year. If you're watching this video, I'm going to make an offer of $500 off of the Auto Trader package, good until New Year's Eve. So again, thank you all for your support. So this will be the last video for a few days. We had several systems have some respectable performance today. First up is the crude oil on the Super 6 tick. This did 730 for the day. Remember, we've had really light volume and relatively low volatility. We can see our equity curve here. We took a little bit of a drawdown, a couple $100 after the open, and then it was straight up with 4 winning trades in a row after the 10 o'clock hour. So pretty solid performance here on 2 contracts. Next up is the crude oil on a regular line break chart, 150 tick line break, and we can see our limit order pullbacks here. We have a limit order pullback of 4 ticks, which cancels after 3 bars. We can see that here, and this is what it looks like on the chart. Anyway, this chart did 610 for the day on 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the NASDAQ on the Super 10 tick. This had 3 trades, a very tiny loser here, which was obviously right at the close of the session. But we had 2 nice winners here, a long and a short, doing 565 for the day on 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the 3 range chart, and this had only 2 trades, 2 winners, and unfortunately got stopped out here. But it still did 350 for the day. That's very good for the E-mini S&P. So this was actually stopped out because of time. I have it stopped trading at 2:30 p.m. That was obviously wrong today. This could have went another 3 or 4 points, as we can see here. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Super 6 tick that starts trading at 12:30. This has been a really consistent performer. We just had a single long trade here that did 225, and that's decent in today's market environment. Okay, the E-mini S&P on a regular 1-minute line break chart had a break even and then a long trade here into the close. It did catch this move, doing $200 on 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the DAX on a 34-second line break chart, and this did 450. You see a few decent winning trades here. Pretty decent performance for the DAX. Again, really low environment, low volatility going into the holidays here. Okay, last but not least is the crude oil on a Super 6 tick, and we're running a couple of versions of this. This one is a limit order with just a 1 tick pullback, and this did 310 for the day on 2 contracts.